Hey guys, welcome back. We have day 9 coming in hot. So today is going to be focused on our lower body. So we're going to do a little bit of cardio, a little bit of lower body focus. It's only 15 minutes. And I just want to say, if you are here and you're day 9 in, congratulations. You're doing so great. Comment below, let me know you completed today, and we will keep this party going. Let's get started. Bring those feet nice and wide. Pull your abs in tight. You're gonna start with a little reach, starting with the right arm. You're gonna take it up, take it out, take it up, take it out. We have 2 more here. Good, now hold it right here to the side. Roll those hips. Yes, here for 4, 3, and we're gonna take it left arm reaches. We go up, we go out, we go up, we go out. Hold it to the side, we roll. 8, 6, woo! 4, 3, let's roll our shoulders back, take them back. Now chest presses, front we press. 4, 3, 2, back to the shoulder rolls. That chest goes front, go 4, 3, 2, 2 more times. 4, 3, 2, we're gonna drop it low, take it down and pull, pull. Get into those legs. Find that deep bend in the knees. 8, 6, 4, 3. We travel to the right, right here. Go pull, throw, pull, throw. 4, 3, 2. Back to those presses. Right arm goes up, up. Up, out, for 2, and 1, roll your hips. 8, 6, 4, 3, left arm, take it up, right here we go, up, out, up, out. Hips, roll, take it left. 8, 6, and 4, 3, we drop it low, elbow up, take it down and pull. Pull. Yes. Find those levels. Woo. Give me 8. Give me 6. In 4, 3. We travel to the right, right here. Go pull. Toss. Pull. Toss. So good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Take it up. All right, y'all. We're gonna move into some inner and outer thigh focus. So walk your feet wide, turn out your toes, sink low into those legs. So think of actively pressing right here into your outer thighs. Your tailbone is heavy to the ground. Shoulders are right over our hips. Woo! Reach those arms out to the sides. We're gonna drop down an inch. A little down, a little up. Little down, a little up. Oh yeah. So I want you to feel it in your inner thighs, but also those outer thighs. Woo! Burn it out, baby. Let's hold it low and take a little pulse. Down, down. Yes. Give me 8. Give me 6. We're gonna take a little change here. We hit a curtsy lunge over to the right. So you have 2 pulses here, and then 2 pulses back. So it's center, stay to the right side, pulse back. That's it. Down, down, squeeze. Woo! Good, give me 4. Press. Give me 3. Try to stay low in this right thigh. You have 2 more. Burn it out. Last one. Hold it right here. And that curtsy lunge, down 1 inch, up an inch. So a little diamond in those thighs. You're rotating open, lower and lift. 4, 3, keep that back heel high, tailbone down, take it into a pulse, let's drop. Pulse, pulse. Keep your weight equally distributed between both of those legs. Yes, we're here. 8, 6, you've got 4 more. Then we come through the center, big flush. Down, up. Inhale and exhale. Whew, feel that extension at the top. Embrace it. We have 4. We're gonna do that whole thing again, just taking it to our left side. Hold it low, down an inch, little down, little up, little down, little up. So instead of coming out of it all together, if you need a break, just work a little bit higher. Down, up. Like there's an anchor on that tailbone bringing you down. Ooh, let's take that pulse right here. Take it down and down. Make sure those shoulders are down. Energy through your fingertips. Stay with me. We have 8, 6, in 4, 2 pulses, then curtsy lunge for 2. Right here, it's down for 2. Curtsy lunge back, 2. Yes, pulse, pulse, drop, drop. Remember, we stay grounded in that front thigh, that left thigh. Keep it rotated. You have 4 more. Woo! Squeeze. 3. Can you stay low? We got 2. Oh yeah, last one, last one. Hold your curtsy lunge right here, down an inch. Little down, little up, little down, little up. Lower, lift. Abs are tight, shoulders down. 4, woo! 3, can you go a little lower? 2. Let's take it into that pulse, let's go. Down, down. Yes. You got it, y'all. Stay with me. 8, it burns. 6, fight through it. 4, 3, bring it back to the front. Flush it out. That stretch at the top should feel really good. Woo! Yes. 4, 3, 2. Take it down an inch to finish. Little down, little up, little down, little up. So as you lift, think of rotating deeper into those thighs. Yes, 4, 3, we got it. 2, we're gonna pulse it low, right here. Take it down, pulse, pulse. You made it, y'all. Here's 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your toes forward. Dive your chest over those legs. Let that head hang heavy here. Shift your hips side to side. Whew. And then we'll take a bend in our knees and rebuild that spine. Meet me back to the top. Whew. Move the body. That was tough, y'all. Whew. Shake it out. We're gonna move into one more cardio portion, and then one more set of work for that lower body. All right, y'all. Bring those feet wide. Bring your arms out. You're gonna hit right, sit, left, sit, hit, hit, sit, hit, hit, sit. Knock it into that booty. Hit, hit, sit. You're gonna take one of each. You go to the right, to the left, and then you're gonna step right, kick it back, left, kick it back. So we go hit, hit, sit, hit, hit, sit, step flick, little faster, let's go. Flick it right, left, flick it right, flick it left. Yes. Good, we're gonna toss our glitter right here. You go toss, drop, roll, booty, booty. Up, down, up. Roll, roll. Up, down, up. Woo! Last time. Good, we're gonna take a chassé to the right. You go chassé, rock. Chassé, rock. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. That's it. Woo! Hold here, just step touch. Yes. Catch your breath. We're going again from the top. In 4, 3, 2. Hit, hit, sit to the right. Hit, hit, sit. Groove. Hit, hit, sit. groove it, and 2 more. Get ready. We toss that glitter. Here we go, here we go. Booty work. Up, breathe. Booty work. Last time. We're gonna hit that chasse to the right. Push, rock, push, rock. Woo! Let's go for 4, for 3, yes, 2, step touch, let's go, reach, yes, reach for something, y'all, get taller, stay proud, give me 8, 6, 4, 3, hit, sit, let's go, hit it, groove it, hit it, groove it, that's it, so strong, last time, woo, toss your glitter, again, up, almost there, finish proud, woo, last time, and breathe, yes, all right, y'all, final song of work. We're gonna hit the tops and backs of our thighs. So bring your feet hip width apart, parallel. Shoulders are back, abs are tight. We start with reverse lunges. Lunge, 1 foot back. Bring it in. Switch legs. Lunge and lift. So I want you to go slow with me. Back and in. Back and in. Yeah, so fight for those 90-degree angles. Lunge and lift. 2 more slow. Last one slow. A little faster. Pick it up right here. It's back, in, back, in. Keep your shoulders right over those hips. Abs tight. Back, squeeze, back, squeeze. We're gonna really get the repetition in right here. Really firing into the tops of our thighs. You can always slow it down if you need it. Just 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the front leg back, drop. Down an inch, up an inch, down an inch. Find that lunge. Lift, lower, lift. 4, woo, 3, 2, good, take a little pulse down for me. Take it down, down. Reach those arms over your shoulders. Sink a little lower. So good, so good. We have 4, we have 3, 2. Bring it back to the top. Opposite leg and slow. Back for 2. Lift for 2. Switch for 2. Press for 2. Lunge it low. Press it back. Lunge it low. Good. 4 more slow. Back. Oh yeah, it's burning. 3. Press. I'm with you. It's hard work. Whew. Last time, slow. Let's take it up to our beat. Back, up, back, up. Stay with me. Give me 8 more, side to side. Back, up, back, up. Woo! 4 more. 3. Last set. Other leg to the back. We drop. Down an inch, up an inch. Second side. Little drop, little lift. Little drop, little lift. Really push into the ball of that foot. 2. Take it down to a pulse. Let's go. Down, down. Pulse, pulse. Reach over your shoulders. Zip up your core. Breathe. We have 8. We have 6. In 4, 3. Lift it up. Bring it back to the front. We lunge, lunge. So parallel feet here. And this hinge forward, press back through your glutes. 8, 6, 4, 3. I want you to add some reaches. We're reaching, front, pull back, front, pull back, lunge and squeeze. Whew. Good, we have 4, 3, 2, come to the center, drop it down, down, up, back, press, elbows in, then reach higher. 4, 3, 2, hold it low. Just freeze right here, little pulse, pulse. Yes, push your palms together. Weight is in our heels, zip up your core. Now reach on that diagonal. Whew. Just 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze. Good, stretch your legs. Take a little stretch over those legs. Let your head hang nice and heavy. And then we'll softly bend our knees, roll up through the spine. Take an inhale with me. And then exhale. Let it go. Leg day. Whew. That was killer, you guys. If you need a stretch, go do so. Do our stretch from Sunday or another one from the channel. And we will see you back tomorrow for our day 10. We're in that double digits. We'll see you there.